एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल इंग्लिश विद शिवाय क्लासेस। आज हम पढ़ेंगे बीए 6 सेमेस्टर के सेकंड पेपर की सेकंड यूनिट, जिसमें है अंगूर एन अडेप्टेशन ऑफ द कॉमेडी ऑफ एरर्स। कॉमेडी ऑफ एरर्स को लिखा था विलियम शेक्सपियर में। आज हम विलियम शेक्सपियर, कॉमेडी ऑफ एरर्स और अंगूर तीनों से रिलेटेड एमसीक्यूज़ को इसमें डिस्कस करेंगे। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। व्हेन वाज शेक्सपियर बोर्न? शेक्सपियर का जन्म कब हुआ था? द आंसर इज 1564। वेयर वाज शेक्सपियर बोर्न? शेक्सपियर का जन्म कहाँ हुआ था? स्ट्रेटफोर्ड अपॉन एबव। हाउ मेनी प्लेस डिड शेक्सपियर राइट? शेक्सपियर ने अपनी लाइफ में कितने प्लेस लिखे थे? द आंसर इज 37। हाउ मेनी सोनेट्स डिड शेक्सपियर राइट? सोनेट कितने लिखे थे? द आंसर इज 154। 154 सोनेट लिखे थे। हाउ ओल्ड वाज शेक्सपियर व्हेन ही मैरिड एन हैथवे? जब उनकी शादी एन हैथवे से हुई थी तो उनकी उम्र थी 18 ईयर्स ओल्ड और एन हैथवे की एज थी 26। व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ शेक्सपियर वाइफ? द आंसर इज ए, एन हैथवे। शेक्सपियर बाय द फादर ऑफ? शेक्सपियर फादर थे कितने चिल्ड्रंस के? द आंसर इज 3। हाउ मैनी वर्ड्स डिड शेक्सपियर एक्चुअली इन्वेंट? एक्चुअली शेक्सपियर ने कितने वर्ड्स का इन्वेंशन किया था? द आंसर इज अबाउट 3000। विच वाज द लास्ट प्ले रिटन बाय शेक्सपियर? द आंसर इज द टेम्पेस्ट उनका लास्ट प्ले था। हाउ ओल्ड वाज शेक्सपियर व्हेन ही डाइड? द आंसर इज बी, 52 ईयर्स ओल्ड। शेक्सपियर डाइड ऑन? शेक्सपियर का जन्म भी 23 अप्रैल को हुआ था और शेक्सपियर की डेथ भी 23 अप्रैल को हुई थी, 1666। शॉर्टेस्ट प्ले है द कॉमेडी ऑफ एरर और लॉन्गेस्ट प्ले है हैमलेट। व्हेन वाज डायरेक्टर गुलजार बोर्न? अंगूर के जो डायरेक्टर थे उनका नाम था गुलजार और उनका जन्म हुआ था 18 अगस्त 1934 को। व्हाट इज द ओरिजिनल नेम ऑफ गुलजार? गुलजार का ओरिजिनल नेम था संपूर्ण सिंह कालरा। इन विच ईयर गुलजार वाज अपॉइंटेड एज द चांसलर ऑफ असम यूनिवर्सिटी? असम यूनिवर्सिटी के चांसलर के रूप में गुलजार को अपॉइंट किया गया था अप्रैल 2013 में। हु इज वाइफ ऑफ गुलजार? गुलजार की वाइफ का नाम था राखी। द कॉमेडी ऑफ एरर इज सेट इन द सिटी ऑफ यूफियस। यूफियस सिटी में इसकी सेटिंग हुई थी। तनु अकर्स हर सिस्टर ऑफ ruining हर मैरिज बाई बीइंग टू? द आंसर इज जेलस। अशोक तिलक ऑफ यूफियस? यूफियस के अशोक तिलक ओरिजिनल इंटेंडेड टू गिव द above item of सुधा तिलक। In order to free himself from a debt, officer Ashok Tilak of Cyprus sends Dromia of get money from Sudha Tilak. Raj Tilak failed to recompense the penalty charge as he lacked sufficient money. Who stated that he was not at all sacred facing the death sentence? The answer is C, Raj Tilak. Raj Tilak was a tradesman person who had a total of 2 sons. The physical feature of Raj Tilak's 2 sons depicted similar appearance. Raj Tilak purchased 2 identical twins as their parents' financial condition was excessively bad. The chief reason for Raj Tilak to purchase these twins mainly denoted his intentions to? The answer is C, render service to his sons. The good upbringing of Raj Tilak's sons brought a tint of producing for his wife. The day went extremely dreadful due to the arrival of violent storm. The younger ones were mainly kept under the charge of Raj Tilak. Rai Tilak's wife took the prime responsibility of protecting the older sons. Thus, shipwreck stood as the prime cause for the separation of Rai Tilak's all of the above. Rai Tilak had the younger ones were saved with the help of a ship. Rai Tilak finally rendered the search approval as his prime concern were to reunion with his wife and child. Rai Tilak failed to trace his younger son for a prolonged period of the answer is 7 years. In order to find his child, अपने यंगर चाइल्ड को फाइंड करने के लिए राय तिलक कंडक्टेड हिज सर्च मिशन फॉर अ कंटिन्यूस ड्यूरेशन ऑफ अ 5 year. The departure of his younger child compelled Rai Tilak to uncover very possible place on this planet Earth. The survival news of his wife and children would give Rai Tilak a peaceful death. Several options were offered to Rai Tilak for the purpose of reunification. The find what are those options? The answer is A. Begging or borrowing money. The occurrence of endless despair obliged Rai Tilak to stay over in his custody. Ashok Tilak was the name of Rai Tilak's two identical son. The younger Ashok Tilak was completely unaware about the misfortunes of his, and the answer is D, father. The economic condition of the older Ashok Tilak was immensely good. The elder son of Rai Tilak got separated from his father at a very young age. The fisherman detached the two youngers from their mothers as his main plan was to, the answer is D, sell them. Sudha Tilak grew extremely aggressive on hearing the fact that her husband denied to recognize her. Ashok Tilak's elder wife believed that her husband indicated about his involvement in an extramarital affairs. The name of Sudha Tilak's younger sister was Tanu. Tanu performed an essential part in consoling her elder sister. Sudha Tilak misjudged Ashok Tilak younger as her, the answer is C, husband. Sudha Tilak queried Ashok Tilak younger about their marital relationship. Younger Ashok Tilak tried to assure Sudha Tilak that she was misapprehended him as her husband. On keen insistence, Ashok Tilak decided to visit his brother's house. Ashok Tilak, due to their similar facial features, and gave him the answer is A, gold chain. The goldsmith was detained for the amount of money that he failed to repay. Elder Ashok Tilak refused to pay the amount of money as he had not received his gold chain. Handful number of people appreciated younger Ashok Tilak for his level of kind-heartedness. The contrast occurrence of strange incidents forced Ashok Tilak younger to believe that he was encompassed by witches and sorcerers. Ashok Tilak younger was faced with another woman who desperately demanded the gold chain. On hearing the refusal of her acknowledgement, the woman asserted Ashok Tilak younger to give back her ring. The savage behavior of Ashok Tilak younger made the woman completely surprised. On hearing the valuable present, the woman became extremely delighted and gifted her ring to Ashok Tilak elder. The common people, together with Sudha Tilak, got deluded by the alike look of the Dansari B twin brothers. Sudha Tilak revealed her invidious way to tackle her husband from the grip of the lady. The Empress undertook various methods to treat Ashok Tilak from this condition of mental disorder. The old Raj Tilak had to face the death penalty if he failed to arrange the fine. Ashok Tilak elder narrated their entire produce of escape from the watchful sight of cautious guards. Sudha Tilak became intensely amazed at the glimpse of her husband. Tanu tied her marriage not with Ashok Tilak younger. The comedy of error is a partial comedy. ये एक partial comedy है. The comedy of error was first published. पहली बार publish हुई थी 1623 में. The comedy of error is based on Menachmi of Plutus. What are the twins in the play? The answer is A. Antipholus and Romeo. Which is the shortest play of Shakespeare? The answer is Comedy of Error. The play is set in Euphues. ये जो play है Euphues में play set हुआ था. The film Angur is an adaptation of the Comedy of Error. The film Angur is directed by Guljar. The film Angur is in Hindi language. ये एक हिंदी लैंग्वेज में है. Angur is remake of Bharanti Bilas. Bharanti Bilas is a Bengali movie. The two pairs of twins in the film Angur are Ashok and Bahadur. Egon will be executed because the answer is B. He is a citizen of Cyprus. In order to avoid execution, Egon must find someone will to pay a ransom of 1,000 marks. Egon lost his family in Egon ने अपनी family lost कर दी थी. The answer is D. A shipwreck. According to Antipholus of Cycraeus, Euphues is famous for its witches and sorcerers. In Euphues, Antipholus of Cyprus is mistaken for the answer is A. Twin brother. Adriana suspects her husband Antipholus of Euphues of the answer is B. Being unfaithful to her. Luciana accused her sisters of ruining her marriage by being too. The answer is A. Jealous. After denying at his brother's home, Antipholus of Cyprus declares his love for Luciana. Antipholus of Euphues is locked out his own home because the answer is A. His wife believes he is already inside. After having been locked out, Antipholus of Euphues denies at the home of the answer is C. The court scene. Anglono was promised to make Antipholus of Euphues a gold chain. Antipholus of Euphues originally intended to give the above item to Adriana. In fact, the object ends up in a possession of the answer is B. Antipholus of Cyprus. Dromio Euphues is married to Eus. In order to free himself from a debt officer, Antipholus of Cyprus sent Dromio to get money from Adriana. The court scene lands Antipholus of Euphues in a ring. Adriana summons Dr. Pinch to A. Cure her husband's mother. Seeking safety, Antipholus and Dromio of Cyprus fly into the abbey. Meanwhile, Antipholus of Euphues has been imprisoned by Dr. Pinch. Seeking to have Antipholus of Cyprus removed from the abbey, Adriana appeals to the Duke. The crisis is resolved by the appearance of the abbess with Antipholus and Dromio of Cyprus. The abbess is really Aegon's wife and the twins' long lost mother. After all is revealed, the Duke free Aegon without payment. everyone goes to celebrate in the abbey. इसी के साथ अंगूर एंड अडेप्टेशन द कॉमेडी ऑफ एरर बाय विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ, इससे रिलेटेड MCQs फिनिश होते हैं। आई होप आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।